finished. This one doesn't like talking. But it's killing me. Baba ninjani. Ambokazi siyaphila njani. All right. The question nje yi1. I-Brentwood uyicobelani una 18. Lendula nje lo.
Sinenkomo engaki manje?
Hawu. 80.
Oh,
Shukuthi una 19 una 8.
uyile lo muntu eh. Shoot mase na
Every how angeke ngiyatshela.
uzobe na pay.
Yeah. Kana uphuma phi?
So,
Kuphi? This guy says from Jersey to my car is like 17 hours. How does that make sense? If I can't give him a lift because from Ramashu to Shushu is 8 hours. But they go from KZN. How does that make sense? Very difficult, yeah? Tambogazi. Awu. Mara uphelelwa ke umuzi wami. 18 years. 4 pairs of Brentwood.
And 8 cows.
And 4 Omega. And 8 cows. He's 18. How does that make sense? I'll tell you. Iphuma kuphi le?
ngishilo baba.
Okay.
Nenodini.
Awuthanda uBrentwood una 18? Oh, wavela ubona bokhela lapho emakhaya aphithizela njengamanje. Wavela wayithanda. And by the way, this is a true fact. We bought 7 Cavelas. End of last season. We bought 7. You can see this guy, I don't know what's happening in his head. It doesn't make sense. That's a fact.